Alright, so we're going to go over how to update your build briefly. And very simple. See where it says recommended fresh install? That's just your heads up. Hey, go ahead and click fresh install. It actually helps you, to figure out what to do. When you click that, then there's an option in red and an option that's not in red. Always go with the continue. As always, cancel is just going to cancel it out and you're going to have to start over again. So very, very simple, very logical. This is the number one question we get, actually, is how to update. But really, it actually walks you through it. You just look at it. I think people have a lot of fears about updating but it's going to do everything for you. It will clear out all of your add-ons, all the old junk that's in there, as it's doing right now. And you'll see in just a second, it will go ahead and begin downloading all the new stuff. So just wait on it to do whatever it's doing. And then it is a very, very fast download. As you can see, I'm looking at like 18 megabytes. And when that is done, you'll see that it will automatically begin installing all this stuff. So the one thing you're looking for when it's installing is you're looking for the errors. So make sure that wherever it says errors, see where the cursor is, make sure that number is close to 0 as possible. And if not, go ahead and check out and see what your errors are. If they're PNG files or thumbnails, like those are little tiny images that you really don't need to worry about. But if they say PY in the end, that might have to do with your add-on, so you might just want to go ahead and try this process again when you're done. But we're going to also go over how to install adult add-ons at the end of this process. For everybody who's not interested in adult content, you don't have to do this at all. You don't have to worry about it. None of these builds, or none of the Cosmic Saints builds, come with adult add-ons anymore, so you have to install them. But it's very, very simple. And what I would recommend is that wherever we click in just a second, you go ahead and long press and save them to your favorites if you're going to be doing this process. Or see our other video on how to install the adult add-ons. It walks you through how to save them as favorites. And we're just going to click force close because the other option is in red. So it's once again giving you that visual cue. Hey, don't click here. And the only thing left to do is to go ahead and open up your Kodi build. As you can see, I'm on a computer right now, but you would just simply go back to your Kodi icon and click on it. And this time you're going to let it wait until you get the visual cue up here of that it's installed everything. It's going to install all the add-ons, or no, it's going to finish installing some of the add-ons, and it's going to finish installing your skin. But you'll see the little visual cue. See where the cursor is? That's where you're going to be looking in just a second, because it should have a weather icon right there, like whatever your weather is outside. See how it's got the little cloud? That's one visual cue that you're getting pretty close. And then the next one is you're waiting for the actual there's where, see, what I normally do is I save these as favorites. So the adult add-ons right there, I normally just go ahead and save them to my favorites, and I would just click them right there, and it's very simple. But let's go through how to do this if you don't have them saved in your favorites. Go to your My Add-ons page and click directly on Program Add-ons. Find your MQ players. You can long press on that and save it as favorite, but you can also just come in here and click on Download. Download adult add-ons, and that was extremely snappy too. So literally no time, and that is complete. One last step we need to do, and you can also save this as a favorite by long pressing on it. You're going to go to your Sea Saints Wizard or Cosmic Saints Wizard, click on it, and it's not far down. It's we're looking for the Kodi 17 fix. So go to your maintenance tools first, go to maintenance, and then you're looking for Kodi 17 fix. So keep on going. There it is. So below miscellaneous maintenance, click on Kodi 17 fix, or long press on that to save it as a favorite. So you'll have this in your favorites going forward. And that's it. Now you just scroll over to your men's section and click directly on the word men's. And you'll see they're in there. So it's concealed. You don't have to worry about, having like a truly dedicated XXX section. People only know about this if they click directly on men's, which most people don't Really do, unless they're looking for something like this. There you go. That is that. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you and have a good day.